Hey friends! A dependable car battery is vital for starting your engine and powering electronics while ensuring your vehicle's overall reliability. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car battery in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Mighty Max Battery Car Battery. This Mighty Max MMH6 delivers massive starting power with its 760 cold cranking amps, specifically engineered to handle the toughest winter conditions without failing. It features a superior 120-minute reserve capacity, allowing your electronics to run longer even when the alternator isn't actively charging. The advanced absorbed glass matte construction provides a completely spill-proof experience, making it safe for various mounting angles while resisting high-impact road vibrations. Manufactured in ISO-certified facilities, this battery adheres to strict CE standards for safety, ensuring that your vehicle remains powered through extreme heat and freezing cold. Its rugged outer shell and deep discharge recovery capabilities make it a durable and dependable choice for modern car owners seeking longevity and high-performance output for their daily drivers. Next up, our second product, the Autosesking Car Battery. This Autosesking unit is a compact powerhouse that provides a maintenance-free 12V30Ah solution, perfect for those who want to set it and forget it. Boasting 400 cca, it delivers efficient starting energy for auxiliary systems and smaller engines, ensuring quick ignition and consistent performance every single time. The patented sealed posts and spill-proof AGM technology eliminate the risk of leaks and corrosive buildup on your terminals over months of use. It comes fully charged from the factory, meaning you can drop it straight into your vehicle and go without the hassle of adding messy acid. Encased in a durable ABS shell with secure nut and bolt terminals, this battery provides long-lasting reliability for RVs, marine applications, and even backup power systems for your home garage or workshop. Coming in at number 3, the Renogy Car Battery. The Renogy 100Ah Deep Cycle model is a globally recognized energy solution, having served hundreds of thousands of happy off-grid users with its stable AGM chemistry. It is built to survive in the harshest environments, functioning flawlessly in temperatures ranging from a freezing -4 degrees to a sweltering 140 degrees Fahrenheit without losing capacity. With a massive 1100 A peak discharge for 5 seconds, it easily handles high-draw appliances like microwaves and refrigerators in your mobile cabin or recreational vehicle. The low self-discharge rate of under 3% monthly ensures your energy stays stored for long periods without needing frequent maintenance charges. Its modular design allows you to connect multiple units in parallel or series, providing a flexible and expandable power bank for serious solar setups and long-distance mobile living. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Super Empower Car Battery. Super Empower brings cutting-edge lithium technology to your vehicle with their Grade A+ LiFePO4 cells that offer an astounding 5,000 to 15,000 charge cycles for incredible durability. This 12V100Ah battery features an integrated battery management system to proactively protect against overdischarging and dangerous temperature spikes during heavy operation. Weighing significantly less than traditional lead-acid counterparts, it serves as a perfect Group 34 drop-in replacement that drastically reduces your vehicle's total weight for better fuel efficiency. It supports advanced expandable energy configurations for high-demand off-grid systems and includes specialized low-temperature charging protection for reliable winter use. Backed by a comprehensive 5-year warranty, this efficient and eco-friendly battery is designed for trolling motors, boats, and modern recreational vehicles that require stable, long-lasting auxiliary power throughout their lifespan. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Mighty Max Battery Car Battery. Coming in as a compact but fierce option, the Mighty Max YTX7L BS is the go-to power source for scooters, motorcycles, and all-terrain vehicles that need quick bursts of energy. With 100 cold cranking amps, it provides the snappy, reliable starts that recreational riders need when exploring the great outdoors or commuting daily through busy streets. The sealed lead-acid design is completely spill-proof and vibration-resistant, allowing you to mount it in almost any orientation without worrying about acid leaks or damage. It performs exceptionally well across various temperatures, offering a high discharge rate and excellent recovery after a deep discharge cycle has occurred. This maintenance-free, rechargeable battery includes a full 1-year warranty, providing riders with peace of mind and the consistent voltage required for all their small vehicle electronic systems and ignition needs. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.